Hello everyone, if you want to digitally sign a PDF using a certificate in Adobe Acrobat, here is how you can do it step by step. First, open the Adobe Acrobat application. Once you land on the home page, make sure to create a new file or open the file from the recent section. When you land on the PDF page, make sure to look at the left screen where you can see different options within the All Tools section. From there, look for Use a Certificate. If you don't see the option, you can just simply tap the View More option and scroll down until you see the option, and once you detect Use a Certificate option, tap on it. When you click it, you will see the option within the Use a Certificate. From there, tap Digitally Sign and your cursor will turn into a crosshair. Now drag your mouse to draw a box on the area where you want your digital signature to appear. After that, a window will open asking you to select a digital ID. If you already have a digital certificate installed on your computer, you can just select it and click Continue. But if you don't have one yet, you can just click on the Configure New Digital ID and make sure to follow these steps to create or import a certificate. Once selected, you can preview how your signature will look, then click Sign. You will be asked to save the documents, so choose a location, then click Save, and your PDF will be now be digitally signed in with a certificate. Keep in mind that digital certificate signing requires Adobe Acrobat Pro, and that's it. That's how you can add a digital certificate and digitally sign a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.